Greetings, it's me. I know it's been a while. Busy. It's really a busy, but I still have a subscription to Pusheen Box. Oh my gosh, this is the summer Pusheen Box. You know how cute it is. Oh man. Now, I'm a little concerned before I open this because it has an L, as in size large. I'm not size large. I am a large person. Not size large. I told them 3X. If you have a Pusheen Box subscription, you know how much it costs to get a subscription. It is not cheap. The more things that I get that I can actually use, the better. I mean, sure, I like to share with other Pusheen fans. Like my whole freaking family's a fan of Pusheen. So let's see what we get.
Box. Oh, your box. Ooh, it's Pusheen scented paper. Oh boy, more Pusheen scented paper. It smells like Pusheen. I have to make sure I do something special with that. Let's see what we got. Okay. Pusheen got a little piece of paper that's so tiny. This is here it is. I got it. Okay. So, here it is. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's really like it's Pusheen in this. Hold on. I'm looking for it. I'm not sure see the first thing on the list here. Oh no, maybe it's missing. Well, here's the next thing.
Pusheen the Cat Ice Cube Tray. Don't ask me about ice cubes in this house. But now we have Pusheen the Cat Ice Cube Tray. That's so cute. It can even have little details in the ice cube that silicone, so they'll just pop out and be slightly Pusheen shaped before they melt. It is so cute. I mean, you know, I can make little Pusheen chocolates with this too. It doesn't have to be ice. I mean, of course, they call it ice cube tray because that's cool. It's summer. What's the actual thing to say about it? Freshen up any drink with fun Pusheen shaped ice cubes. Yeah, like I said, I'll probably will not do that, and I'll do you know, there they are. They're inside here. Okay, clever packing. Okay, the first thing on the list was actually Pusheen sunglasses. I cannot wear these, but I have family members that will be more than happy to sport some Pusheen sunglasses. Let me take them out of the Ziploc baggie. Protection. Ew. Nice. Let me see if they'll even fit my face. These don't have spring temples, so I'm not going to try to get them to fit my face. I'll just give them to, like, my niece or something. Stay protected from the sun's rays in these dance party Pusheen sunglasses. Dance party. Oh, okay. So, it's got like the dancing Pusheen and like some music notes and records and, you know, stereos and stuff on there. Okay, so the next thing, I started to get it out. What was the next thing? Is this beautiful Mermaid Machine cup?
It's like an insulated cup. It's got a nice little lid with a thing in there. And I got the straw here. Here's a little straw come with it. I think it goes in like this. No, it goes in like this. Just so you can't pull it over and but you can stop. Okay. I got it. Beautiful Mermaid Machine. See that?
Stay hydrated with your favorite beverage in the Mermaid Pusheen Travel Cup. Travel Cup because, you know, travel. Summer, travel, and stuff like that. What's this big old thing here? Oh my gosh. This is a Pusheen duffel bag? Holy crap! This is a Pusheen duffel bag. Tote your travel essentials in this Pusheen weekend bag. Guess I'll maybe use it this weekend or something. I don't know. Alright, what's next? What's next? What's this? What is this little thing? Oh my god, it's a Pusheen iron-on patch. Is this really iron-on? I mean, I know they say iron-on. This Pusheen iron-on patch is ideal for customizing clothes and bags. Pusheen iron-on patch. Alright. We're not done yet. There's so much more. There's lots more. Or there's a few more things at least. Oh my god, it's Pusheen scented silica gel. Wait, this doesn't smell like anything. I think it's just silica gel. Back to that. Oh my god, it's flip flops. Oh, okay. So the L is for like large foot large. Which I am large foot large. They don't have 3X in foot size. But yeah, this should go on my feet. Pusheen flipper flops. I hope they don't hurt, because that's part of why I hate flip flops, is because they hurt my feet. But these look really nice. Let me take one out of the bag.
Oh man, they smell. I love the smell of flip flops. I'm sorry, I do. These do not smell like Pusheen, they smell like flip flops. And they are the dance party Pusheen flip flops. Same as the sunglasses. It's so cute. I don't even want to wear them. They say Pusheen on them. Maybe I'll wear them to a pool tomorrow. Oh, I hate flip flops so much, but I love these. I'll keep this check out later next week. Anyway, let's have a description of this.
These Pusheen flip flops are perfect for hot summer days at the beach. Fuck the beach and fuck sand, okay? Just saying. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is it a blow-up Pusheen ball? Oh my god, what is this? This Pusheen beach ball is fun to throw around at the beach or in your backyard. Oh my god. He has, oh my god, I gotta blow it up for you. This is so cute. Oh geez, you see this, guys? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm afraid to take this with me to the pool tomorrow because I don't want it popped. I don't think, oh my god, I don't want to tell anybody about this. I won't. It's my Pusheen. Oh my god, it's so cool. Okay, what is next? What is next? Seriously? What? What? Oh my god. This is a fucking Pusheen beach towel. Hit the pool or beach with your Pusheen beach towel. But it's like in one of those like super duper compacted cake things. You know, like they do for like towels, which is actually a washcloth. So, like this is a giant one, of course. So you know this has got to be like big. I mean, I don't think it's going to be like actual beach towel size big. because I got freaking beach towels that wrap around my ass. But this one, here, I'm gonna try opening it.
This is wash to expand. Let's see. Super duper compact. Okay, I'm unwrapping it. I probably should check first anyway, just because it's probably got that stuff. Oh yeah, it's got the stuff. Okay, so it's actually a really thin towel. I mean, that's fine. I don't thin towels, but you just lean on it. Oh my god, Pusheen towel. That's a little winky Pusheen. I know it's still pretty roughly, but yeah, I'm gonna wash this. Yeah, you can really see it. It's really weird.
Oh, it's so cute. It's like the charming one, like one of your French girls kind of look on him. Okay. Put those dirty clothes. I don't know where dirty clothes are. Alright. One more thing. One more thing. And this is the exclusive figure. Oh my god, my friend that sits next to me is gonna be so jelly. It is Fat Mermaid Machine. Oh my god, I love it so much. Does the tail? I was gonna say, does the tail actually come off? Put this on my desk, and she's gonna be like, "Oh my god, where did you get the Fat Mermaid cat?" And I'll be like, "Cause I'm cool." But yeah, that is the Pusheen box for summer. I am super duper satisfied with everything I got. It's definitely worth the money if you go to subscribe to the Pusheen box. I definitely recommend it. Oh man, it's so cute. I love everything. I love Pusheen. I love you. Thank you for watching another unboxing of a Pusheen video. And sorry again, the updates haven't been that often, but just busy. But not too busy to unbox a Pusheen. So, don't know when I'll see you next. Maybe I'll have somebody take some video of me at the pool. Ha 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 ha, no. Nobody's seen you to see my whale ass in the pool. Just saying. But yeah. See you guys next time, whatever that may be. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant weekend.